Now you ready? Okay.
It's something about trash cans and trash trucks.
Yeah.
He gets really excited by it. And
okay.
So that's why he's doing it.
You're a very...
My yard.
That's your goal. I know what it means. Stay out. That's your private area. Is that correct?
Just keep going, man.
I'm sorry. I will stop, okay? Can I? Please? I won't do it again.
Go.
I will. I just want to get your barrel out for you.
No.
I love you. I want to get it out. I love you. I just want
No,
to get your
dude, stop. Stop.
Please, I want to. I want to be your friend. Let me be your amigo.
Stop, man.
I just want to get it out. Let me help you.
Stop, man.
I want to help you. You're a good buddy. Please, let me get your barrel out.
Leave. Leave the
I wanna
property.
Get your barrel.
Leave the property,
I'm
man.
asking you nicely. Can I get your barrel?
Leave the property, man.
I want to get your barrel. I'm trying to be nice to you. Let me in, please. I love you. Please let go. I want to get in.
Stop.
I want to get in. So
You're breaking the gate. You're going to have to pay for it.
Barrel.
Your parents, Nicholas, are going to
Yes.
have to pay for it.
Yes, that's correct.
You're getting your parents in trouble for this.
That's correct.
Okay, then leave.
I want to get your barrel.
No.
Go.
He keeps wandering around, just taking a little loop like right here. Oh, for real? Yeah. Look, now he's going to go back right now. Yeah, he brought these in and I made him like stop right there. Staying by the thing now.